Hello and welcome back to Friday Minis. Now, this one is for the Java programmers out there. There is a feature in Java that, you are probably not taught in school and very few people actually use. But, well, it's an interesting thing that you can do, and I'm sure that there are situations that will call for it. This feature is called Varargs, also known as variable arguments or variable number of arguments to be more precise. You see, there may come a time when you actually want to create, a function that takes in a variable number of arguments. I have to confess, this isn't a very common thing by any stretch of the imagination, but if you need to do that, Java actually does let you do that. This is actually valid syntax. For the last argument of any function, instead of specifying it normally, what you can do is you can actually insert the type, insert an ellipsis, which is 3 dots, and then a variable name. The user can then actually supply any number of arguments from 0 to as many as they like. And well, basically what you get at the end of the day is an array, which you can then iterate through and do whatever processing you need. It is important to note, however, that the user can choose to supply 0 arguments. That is fine. So if that's not what you're looking for, you do have to do something to enforce that. I guess in a way this is really just syntactic sugar for, asking the user to supply an array instead, because, well, this is basically an implicit array. But I guess in general it is more convenient for a user to supply arguments this way, as opposed to having to construct an array and then passing that to you. So yeah, this is a feature in Java that maybe you haven't heard about. That's all there is for this episode of Friday Minis. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, you're watching 0612 TV. Thank you very much for watching. If you like my work and are feeling generous, you can shoot me a one-time donation on PayPal or sign up for a recurring one on Patreon. Of course, you can simply like, comment, and subscribe. You know the deal. For more videos, links to my channel and a related playlist are on screen. Thank you for your support.